This small, fully self-contained, easy-to-carry national portable colour video camera features a new high-band integral stripe Saticon tube. It can receive its power from a national portable video cassette recorder or power supply camera AC adapter. The 1 3/8 inch viewfinder, which is also used for electronic viewfinder character display and VTR playback, is mounted on the camera head. Synchronous audio and video recording is controlled by a single silent trigger located on the camera hand grip. The viewfinder, with graphics display by microprocessor, gives a tape counter, date, stopwatch, check for camera setting, remote, fade, warning for battery, white balance and lighting, insert record and a counter memory, negative, positive picture selection, fade in, fade out effect, close-up operation down to approximately 5 cm using the macro function, automatic gain control, an adjustable hand grip with VCR, trigger switch, power zoom control and adjustable length handle strap. The camera is a sensitive, high-quality instrument and should be regarded as such. Do not aim the camera towards the sun or other extremely bright objects, whether it is turned on or not. This could permanently damage the picture tube. Use caution when operating the camera in the vicinity of spotlights or other bright lights and light-reflecting objects. Do not use the camera in an extreme environment where high temperature or high humidity exists. Use the camera under conditions where the temperatures are within 0 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. Do not abuse the camera. Avoid striking, shaking, etc. Do not drop the camera. The camera contains a sensitive pickup tube which could be damaged by improper handling or storage. Handle the camera with care. Always store the camera in its case when not in use or when transporting. Do not let the lens remain uncapped when the camera is not in use. If the lens is not installed, do not leave the lens mount hole uncovered. Protect the precision lens by placing the lens cap over the lens when the camera is not in use. Do not expose the camera or power supply to rain or moisture, or try to operate it in wet areas. Take immediate action if ever the camera or power supply become wet. Do not attempt to disassemble the camera or power supply. In order to prevent electric shock, do not remove screws or covers. There are no user serviceable parts inside. These are the important operating controls. The camera cable connected to the VCR. Set the camera on a tripod or hold on your shoulder. The adjustable handle grip has 3 positions for comfort. The VCR start-stop switch is in the front of the handle. The power zoom is at the rear of the handle. The ultrasonic horn for automatic focus with autofocus switch, the boom microphone. Do not manually adjust the focus when autofocus is on. The electronic viewfinder, which has an adjustable eyepiece. Indoor-outdoor selection switch. And the white balance switch. The lower control panel has the colour adjustment, the iris close auto open switch, fade in fade out switch, zoom speed switch, auto gain control switch. The electronic viewfinder display controls will be discussed later. The rear view shows the electronic viewfinder eyepiece, the camera cable, the power lamp, standby switch, microphone and earphone jack. This is the explanation for the electronic display operation, which is on the side panel. When the check button is pressed, the following information is shown. Battery charge, E to F. As dashes go, the battery is losing charge. The light is OK. The white setting is OK. And indoor has been selected. When it is pressed a second time, the auto gain control, AGC, is shown if it is on or off, and the automatic focus is shown if it is on or off. Delete this display by pressing Normal. The next switch shows negative or positive. negative.
Now,
The date can be set by pressing the Date button. By using the date set and mark Shift, the correct date can be obtained on the tape. When you wish to delete the date from the tape, Normal is pressed. When the Timer Date button is pressed twice, the timer function is in operation and can be recorded. Press the Start button to start. Press the same button to stop it and press again to start. It will give a lap time. The Reset button is pressed to bring it back to 0, and the first button is pressed to start it again. Stop, start, stop, and reset. Now most of the controls have been explained and understood. The camera can be taken from the case, mounted on a tripod or held on your shoulder. Connect the recorder and switch the recorder on. The first graphics display is Remote, which says to switch the recorder to Camera Remote Control. The second graphics to be displayed is White, and the white balance must be set by switching the white balance switch to set. When the white stops flashing, switch to white balance. That is the white balance switch. Then select the indoor or outdoor. Check if you require autofocus. Check the auto iris adjustment and check the AGC is on or off. Press the check button as indicated earlier and adjust any specified controls that are not okay, and then return to normal. Press the VCR start-stop switch on the camera grip and the graphics REC for record is displayed. There are many possibilities with this camera and portable recorder, so please read the instruction book carefully and thoroughly and use the camera to advantage. The more you use it, the easier it will be to control, and it is very economic to use.